Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a simple and delicious lamb meat barbecue recipe, and here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have lamb meat, a fresh green chili, 3 pieces of sliced zucchini, 3 pieces of white onion, tomatoes, sesame paste, and eggplant dip and can, and parsley. And let's get started. In an empty bowl, let's put our lamb meat, and let's add our prepared veggies, and add some oil, and let's add half teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Let's combine all together. And now done, set aside. And now let's start barbecuing our prepared veggies. Let's first put our zucchini, arrange them, and put our tomatoes, and let's cut our prepared onion into halves, and our green chili. Leave it. And for the meantime, using our wooden barbecue stick, let's arrange our lamb meat into stick. Arrange them. And then put aside. And another one. And then set aside. Now let's flip our veggies on the other side. Leave it until it cooks again on the other side. And for the meantime, let's prepare our parsley salad. Let's cut our parsley. And let's slice a piece of white onion. And then let's add them to our cut parsley. And let's add a tablespoon of sumac, and a half teaspoon of salt. And let's combine all together. And then set aside. And now our veggies done. Let's put them in the corner to have space for our lamb meat. Now let's barbecue our lamb meat. Adjust into medium heat to avoid burning. Let's adjust our barbecue machine into medium heat. And now let's prepare our eggplant dip. Let's open the can. an empty bowl. Let's put our eggplant. And add 2 tablespoons of sesame paste.
Mom, are you making barbecue?
Yeah.
Smells so good.
And let's add a smashed garlic. Add tablespoon of squeezed lemon. Half teaspoon of salt. And mix it well. And set aside. Let's flip our lamb meat. And our simple and delicious lamb meat barbecue is done. Now let's put some in our serving plate. Let's add our eggplant dip. And scoop of our prepared parsley salad. And add some of our barbecue meat. And our simple and delicious lamb meat barbecue is ready to serve.